So first of all, you're going to add a patient from the patient's first page. Here you will find first name, last name, and age and birth date. Then you have to check the part of the dental history, last visit, medical questionnaire, and the others. It's very important to add the information in the dental history. Here you will find a lot of information that are very important to our AI diagnosis. Then you have two options, whether to cancel or to save and proceed. Now we will cancel, so I can show you the rest of the page. You can here show the last visit. It's best to know where was the last cleaning, and then the medical questionnaire. It's the best to register like everything we can know about that. Then in the others, you can add any diseases or conditions, pregnancy or smoking. Okay, so now let's start by adding patient's information. Like here we will add the first name. Let's put it random name. And here the birth date. For example, okay, whatever. So okay, and then we can save. So in this page, after registering the patient's name, here you can edit the patient's information from here. If you want to edit anything in the name or age or in the history. If you don't want, you can just cancel the thing, and then on the same page you will find two other options, whether to start new capture or when we finish you can then choose to see the dental result history. And then for sure after registering your patient's name you will start a new capture.